Show my hands. Happy I'm in my living room. They're not. They're not. My hands are not that hard. Super. My fingers was after sleeping down in my hands are really